Welcome to our video on blockchain technology. In the next 10 minutes, we'll be discussing what blockchain is, how it works, and its potential impact on various industries. First, let's start with the basics. Blockchain is a digital ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. These transactions can include anything of value, such as money, property, or digital assets. One of the key features of blockchain is that it is decentralized, meaning that it is not controlled by any single entity. Instead, it is maintained by a network of users who work together to validate and record transactions. This makes it highly secure and resistant to tampering. Blockchain technology is most commonly associated with the digital currency, Bitcoin. Bitcoin was the first application of blockchain, and it uses the technology to securely record transactions of the digital currency. However, blockchain has many other potential uses beyond just digital currencies. For example, it can be used to create secure and transparent supply chain management systems, or to securely store and share medical records. Another important aspect of blockchain is the use of smart contracts. These are digital contracts that automatically execute when certain conditions are met. This can greatly streamline many business processes and reduce the need for intermediaries. So far we have seen blockchain technology being adopted in various industries such as finance, healthcare, supply chain, real estate, and many more. Blockchain technology is a decentralized system that allows for the secure storage and transfer of digital information. It is essentially a digital ledger that is distributed across a network of computers, rather than being stored in a single location. This network is made up of nodes, which are connected to one another and communicate with each other through a consensus mechanism. One of the key features of blockchain technology is that it is immutable, meaning that once information is recorded on the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. This is achieved through the use of cryptographic techniques, such as hashing and digital signatures, which ensure that once a piece of information is recorded on the blockchain, it cannot be tampered with. Another important aspect of blockchain technology is that it is decentralized, meaning that there is no central authority controlling the network. Instead, the network is maintained by a network of nodes, which work together to validate and record transactions. This decentralization also makes the blockchain resistant to tampering or hacking, as there is no single point of failure in the network. One of the most well-known applications of blockchain technology is the cryptocurrency Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a digital currency that utilizes blockchain technology to record and validate transactions. Other cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple, also use blockchain technology. However, blockchain technology has many potential uses beyond cryptocurrency. For example, blockchain technology can be used to create smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement between buyer and seller being directly written into lines of code. This can potentially reduce the need for intermediaries in certain industries, such as the legal and financial industries. Blockchain technology can also be used for supply chain management, as it allows for a tamper-proof record of the movement of goods from one point to another. This can be useful for tracking the origin of goods and ensuring their authenticity, as well as for identifying and resolving any issues that may arise during the supply chain process. Additionally, blockchain technology can be used for voting systems, as it allows for secure and transparent voting processes. This can be especially useful in countries where there are concerns about electoral fraud. Overall, blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize many industries by providing secure and transparent systems for the storage and transfer of digital information. While it is still in the early stages of development, the potential uses of blockchain technology are vast and varied, and it is likely that we will see many more applications of this technology in the future. Overall, blockchain technology has the potential to greatly improve the efficiency, security, and transparency of many industries. It is a relatively new technology, and we can expect to see even more exciting developments in the future. Thank you for watching our video on blockchain technology. We hope you have a better understanding of what blockchain is, how it works, and its potential impact on various industries.